Hello, hello everyone. Joy Cakebeak here. So if you haven't already done so, seriously, go grab a paper and pen or take out your phones for a quick memo or however you're watching this. But I definitely want you to be able to get the information, but also know exactly what you need to do so that you can put your order in, because these products are gonna fly off the shelf. And so this is actually really, really time sensitive. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the items that are on sale and I'm gonna prioritize them for you. So the things that you absolutely need to have in your home, right? And then also complement those with recommended tools. So those complementary tools that are going to really help you take your kitchen cleaning to the next level. Sound good? Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is the cleaning paste. It is a top priority in your home because you can use it in the kitchen, you can use it in the bathroom, you can use it for carpet and upholstery stains, scuff marks on walls. This truly is your elbow grease in a jar. If you do not have this in your toolkit yet, you need it. So the regular price for the cleaning paste is $36.99 and it's on sale right now for $29.59. Consultants, you save an additional 35% on that price. Y'all, there's never been a better time to open up a consultant account. Never been a better time, because you save an extra 35% on top of these sale prices. So, whoa, absolutely amazing. So a great complementary tool for the cleaning paste, obviously the EnviroCloth is a great one. I also love using it with our Enviro scrubs. So it's like an EnviroCloth material on one side, a scrubbing material on the other. So that's a great complementary tool for the cleaning paste, but a top priority. Y'all need this. With that savings, wow, makes it so simple. Second priority that I'm going to say is the fresh produce wash. The reason I love this is it takes all the oils and grime and icky stuff off your fresh fruits and vegetables, and it will extend the life of your fresh fruits and vegetables. So it's best used when you first bring your produce home, and then a complementary product for that would be our brand new refrigerator liners, which I forgot to set in front of me. Oh, here they are. Okay. So thankfully I did a demo from this table last night, and so pretty much stuff's in my reach. So these refrigerator liners are brand new, and what they will do, you'll put them at the bottom of your produce drawers in your refrigerator. It will help to lengthen the life of your fresh produce by up to 2 weeks. So wash your produce with your fresh produce wash, and then place them in the drawer. This liner will help protect the produce from bruising, and it will also help to absorb moisture, and that will help to lengthen the life of your produce. So these are hands down. I mean, if you really want to save yourself some money and not throw away so much stuff, fresh produce wash, refrigerator drawer liners is your must. So the fresh produce wash is normally $25.99 and it's on sale for $20.79. Just a few spritzes with water, so it actually lasts a really long time. I think my fresh produce wash typically lasts me about a year. So it is definitely a good thing to have, so you keep those fresh veggies and fruits going for you. And of course, I always love the veggie and fruit scrub cloth. So top priority number 1, cleaning paste. Number 2, fresh produce wash. Number 3, our dishwashing liquid. Now we just came out with a new formula, but the other formula is on sale. And so I am going to list that as a priority because everybody washes dishes. So this is for hand washing dishes. So what's on sale is our traditional kind of citrus scent, as well as our limited edition lavender rosemary. So regular $13.99, on sale for $11.19. A little goes a long way, so it's highly concentrated. And I absolutely love this dishwashing liquid. Obviously a complementary complementary tool that you would want is our netted dishcloth. These are just called dishcloths. This one is a few years old, so it's got some snags and some holes in it, but rinses out completely. No food particles really stick in there, doesn't get stinky, has just enough scrubbing power. They come in a set of 2, and so it's a must-have tool for hand washing your dishes, great for stoneware and stuff like that as well. And another great complementary tool, of course, is our brand new kitchen brush. So you just twist, kitchen scrub brush, twist the top off. This is replaceable, so you can get a replacement head, and then you fill the handle. It has 25 pumps of liquid that would come right out through here when you pump that liquid out. So this is another great complementary tool for the dishwashing liquid. The next one is along the same lines of hand washing dishes, and that's our Biozyme. So our Biozyme, we have it in our traditional lavender, and then on our limited edition lime. It's a very concentrated. So what I use this like old medicine cup. You know how kids' medicine a lot of times would come with these little things. I use this to help measure the number of ounces when I'm filling up my Forever spray bottle. So complimentary item number 1 for this is your Forever spray bottle. And there's directions on how to dilute it here for the bottle. But essentially that's for like maybe if you have just a couple of dishes in the sink, maybe everything's gone in the dishwasher, and you have a couple of pots and pans, but you don't want to use a ton of water and use a whole thing of the dishwashing liquid because you don't have that much to wash. That's where the Biozyme comes in. So you would just spritz on your dish or your pan, use your wet cloth to clean it off, and you're all set. Rinse it, dry it, you're all set. So I highly recommend the Biozyme. It's very fast acting, cuts through grease and grime like nobody's business, and it really saves you a lot of time when it comes to kitchen cleanup. So you want the Forever spray bottle with it, so that add that to your basket as well. But this one is regular $25.59, or no, regular $31.99, on sale for $25.59. And you can get that either in the traditional lavender or the limited edition lime scent. So those are kind of the priorities that we're making. And then the next one on the list is the heavy duty degreaser. Now I really like this product, but I've used the cleaning paste, for years and years and years. So I got used to using my cleaning paste, like for my stovetop and things like that. So when this product came out, I liked it, I use it, but I don't use it as much as I use my cleaning paste. So that's why I've kind of put it down a little bit lower on the priority list, simply because that's how I use the products. But for anyone who has the stovetops with the big spillovers and the big greasy messes, the heavy duty degreaser is going to be a fabulous product for you. Also, this is a concentrate. So you'd want a Forever spray bottle to dilute it in. There's instructions on the bottle on the ratio of how much degreaser with how much water. And a complementary tool I would recommend probably is the Enviro Scrubs, where it's the Enviro cloth on one side, kitchen scrub material on the other side. Okay? These come in a set of 3, so super handy. I like to use the scrubby side to help get all that buildup and that grease and stuff off, and then I use the Enviro cloth side to kind of wipe it away clean, and that is the heavy duty degreaser. Really, really nice product that helps cut through that tough grease. And then the last one that's on sale, sorry about that, the heavy duty degreaser is regular $26.99, on sale for $21.59. And again, consultants save an additional 35% on top of that sales price. So the last one that I would put on the list for priority-wise is the all-purpose cream cleaner. And again, the reason is because most of the time I'm using my cleaning paste. But here's where this one is important. The cream cleaner can be used on different surfaces like granite, the brushed, the bronzy things and fixtures. And so if you need a little extra scrubbing power, but this is too much of a scour and isn't recommended for those surfaces, that's where the all-purpose cream cleaner comes in. So think about like maybe if you have like those hard water stains and build up like around the base of where your faucet is or where your faucet handle is or any of those things, that's where this tool is going to come in handy, the all-purpose cleaner. And a recommended tool would be the utility brush, and you just get this wet, put a little paste on it, and you can go to town. It's got a cool little scraper. It's like a rubberized material. So these are really partners very nicely with the all-purpose cream cleaner. So that's regular $24.99, on sale for $19.99. So priority number 1 was the cleaning paste. Priority number 2, the fresh produce wash. Priority number 3 was the dishwashing liquid. Priority number 4, the Biozyme. Priority number 5, the heavy duty degreaser. And then lastly, the all-purpose cleaner, cream cleaner. So if you have any questions about any of those, don't hesitate to reach out. Again, this is a 2-day sale only. So it starts now, and it goes until noon Central Time on January 14th. So 1 p.m. Eastern, noon Central Time is when the sale officially ends. But it's also while supplies last, but especially with those limited edition products, those will sell out pretty quickly. So don't delay and get your order in. And again, let me know how I can help. I'm always happy to help. And I hope you all are having a fabulous day. Thanks for watching.